Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So in this vlog, I'm gonna be visiting some apartments and I took y'all along with me. So yes, enjoy the vlog. And y'all, these prices, they were insane, but I did go to see some 2-bedroom apartments. And yeah, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high,
Cause she told me let me know which one. Perfect. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. Does this have a bathroom? Oh yeah.
It's too bad. It's too bad.
This is nice. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. This is so nice.
Yeah, you have a really nice view on this one.
Oh my gosh. This is way better than the apartment I saw last week. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. And there's 2 bathrooms or 3?
Two bedrooms, too bad. This is the master room.
This is the master? Wow, this is beautiful. And oh, there's 2 closets. Okay, 2 closets in this one. Yeah, I'm loving this one. Central air. And this is the view. Oh my gosh. Oh, and this is the smaller bedroom. Oh, they look like the same size. And this closet is big too. This is perfect for my son. This is, yeah. This is beautiful. What's here?
Here's another closet.
Oh,
Yeah.
this is the closet.
And here is washer and dry machine.
Washer and
All of your units have washer and dry machine.
beautiful. Oh my. This is the best view I've seen.
Yeah, it's great. So this one is 70.
Whoa. 7,300 for this one. And then they're making new apartments right here too.
Yeah, this one is not our property.
Oh,
we
so-
also manage Eagle and West. Which
Oh
is
yes.
their property.
She scheduled me for one of those over there too.
Yes, because we're offering concessions. We're offering 2 months for free.
God.
2
Oh.
bedrooms apartment.
Okay, great. Next week.
Yes.
Oh shit. Okay.
It's immediately moving.
Yes. Okay. This is beautiful. Okay. Yeah. This is something that I would need. It's like, oh my gosh. I love this. Oh my goodness. Look at the cabin. Look at the microwave. Oh my god. This is like the best unit I've seen so far. Literally. I think it's the view. Oh my gosh. Okay. I love this one.
Yes.
32C.
It's a corner unit. So all of our buildings have amenities as well.
Okay. Well,
A work area and lounge as well. So residents can bring in the week to work. Do you work from home?
no. This is beautiful. So where's the pool?
I'm sorry.
Oh.
Conference room
Here's the conference room.
and
Oh.
coffee machine.
Oh, this is beautiful. Wow. Okay. I'm loving this. It's like, wow, this is like a hidden gem. Wow.
You don't have like a lot of these buildings with.
Yeah, I don't like Manhattan.
I mean, this area, this neighborhood is great.
Yeah, I love Greenpoint. There was another unit that I seen last summer, but something happened.
So here is the pool club.
The pool? Okay.
Yeah, so the pool over there and bar. We have showers over there.
Oh, the pool is in here?
Yes.
Oh. This is beautiful. And this you say $750 a month?
Yes.
To be okay.
$750 per season.
Per season, okay.
Summer season.
Okay. So it's only open in the summertime?
Yes.
Okay, no problem. Okay, beautiful.
Yeah, it's really nice. Like in a sunny day, right now we have like sun.
Yeah, this is really, oh gosh.
And it's so hard to find outdoor pools.
Of course, this is. There's our gym. This is so pretty.
Hands up high, tell them dim the lights down right now. Put me in the booth. I'm talking about dark room perfume. Go, go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit.
So you have access to flat chat and also you have a code.
Oh, so there's no key.
No key.
So what key is this?
Oh yeah.
I think it's probably, it looks like it's both.
Yeah, so there is a key.
Oh, this one has an island.
Yeah, this one has island and it's 2 bedroom, 2 bath. And the only difference is this one does not have bathtub.
This one doesn't have a bathtub? Oh. It's not too bad. Oh, it's just beautiful. Wow, look at this bathroom. And how much is this one going for a month?
This one is $69.20.
$69.20. Okay.
Yeah, and you get 2 months for free if you will start before.
Say shit, and I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy. It's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you off. I really wanna show you off. Fuck that. Pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name.
1408. Okay. You want me to turn the light off?
Yes,
Yes.
thank
Okay.
you.
You're welcome.
So I'll be sending to you all the information about the apartments we saw, the amenities we need, the concessions.
Sure.
And then if you want to apply, you just let me know which apartment you want to apply, and I can send you a code. You can apply through the code. The application fee is $20. As soon as you apply, the apartment is off the market.
Okay.
And then you have to send me the documentation. You generate the lease, and then it's 1,000 security deposit.
1,000? Not bad. It's not 1 month.
1,000 and the prorate. And the way
Yes.
that the concession works for this building, you.
This is nice. Walk-in closet right here. The bathroom is here. This I really love. Okay, so bathroom. This is another corner apartment.
Yes.
Oh, this room is huge.
This is the master room.
Yeah, I see. This one is, I guess it's how they did it. It looks bigger. But it looks like it might be the same space too. Oh, there's 2 closets here. Oh, okay. Thought it was 1. And this is the boiler here?
Is
The boiler?
for the, you can open, it's from the,
Oh. Okay. Wow, and this is when they did it. Nice. That's the filter. Okay. Washer and dryer. That's my favorite part. And this is the kitchen. Wow. Yeah, this will be for the baby. Something smaller. Oh, let me leave it open. And this is bigger, but the kitchen is smaller. It's like, I mean, it has the open layout. Okay, this is really nice. Oh, the fridge is hidden. Oh my gosh. Whoa. And how much is this one going for?
This one is 7140.
7140.
Yeah, with 2 months.
Got it. Wow. These have hidden. I love this. Are these push cabinets? Oh no. Okay. Okay. Really like this one too. 26, 22. I think this one was.
Yeah, 22, 26. So we went to the glass tower and now we're living in the Eagle Tower. This is the Eagle.
Oh my. We went so many places. I don't even remember. This is beautiful. Okay, perfect.
Okay. Can you remind me your name?
Mine is Agni.
Agni.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna send you the emails.
Yes.
Today.
See, okay. Thank you so much. You too. Bye bye. All right, you guys. So these were I saw about, yeah, it was 3 apartments that I seen at the Bell Slip. So this was actually on Housing Connect, and you guys, I've been on Housing Connect trying to find an apartment for the longest. I even worked with a realtor and things didn't work out, but I do have a budget, and these apartments in New York are over my budget, unfortunately, and I want to be realistic with myself. I don't make $7,000 a month, and yeah, a lot of these apartments were out of my budget, but yeah, you guys, they were beautiful. See you in the next vlog. Bye.